What's going on, guys?
DeFi.
It's your boy, Start on Breezy, baby.
Start up breathing.
Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm still breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip for the freebie. Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm still breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip when you see me. 25 drip when you see me.
Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Start Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you know how we do it. Might step outside, might give me a blue there. Yeah, baby. You hear that? Them ain't no fat girl. Thigh rubbing together, look, daddy, the bird, man. Baby, you know why? Cause the Drip Network is taking over for the 999 and the 2000. Yeah, 2000. And the 3000. Yeah, baby. You hear? You understand what's happening? But look here. Y'all know I gotta run through this cat because I got my recording equipment going. And it's gonna blank out in a minute, but I got this on the Opera browser and it's not connected to my MetaMask. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna run through it right quick. It's very easy, bro. This, you know what it remind me of? They remind me of the Migos. Rest in peace to Takeoff, man. But this remind me of the Migos. Anyway, but keep moving. Man, hey, I ain't like these other folk. If something is paying like this, man, 3% a day, and everybody making money, I'm gonna go, hey, I gotta give them credit what credit due. These folks ain't paying me. I don't know them. They ain't in the United States. They all on having yacht parties and all that. So they say they, what, not leverage trading, what, arbitrage trading or whatever. Hey, do your thing, man. That 3% is still coming. All you have is 3 simple steps. You connect your wallet. You gotta have a VPN. You gotta have a VPN, bro. They're not in the United States. They don't operate in the United States. So, but you got a VPN, you can participate. You click wallet right now to register your wallet. And you just come here and put in however much BNB you want. You know, 5, 10, 1, 0.1. Just put in 0.1 and see. See for yourself. You get what I'm saying? 3% of 0.1 look like it's going to be 0.22, 0.002 every day. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, man. Then it's going to pop up right here every 24 hours. You can either reinvest or you can withdraw. They don't penalize you for neither one. Whichever one you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Whichever one you want to do. But that's about it. And you come down here and play with the calculator. You know, if I put in 86 BNB, and if you put in 86 BNB, I think you get paid 5% a day, 4% a day, something like that. Which, you know, they got different levels, but ain't nobody doing that. So that's what that is. They got some kind of funky referral bonus. It don't pay a lot. It's like one of them, it go deep down in there and pay you 2 pennies for every people. You know how that go. It don't really pay nothing. I don't care about that. It pay 3% a day. That's what I care about. And you see with the media right here, they get Yahoo Finance, Market Watch, Financing, .net, Benzino, them, Love and Hip Hop, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? They had an interview on NASDAQ. I'm tripping. They had an interview on NASDAQ TV or YouTube. Though. You can come up here, go to the right now. They got a whole YouTube channel, Telegram, all that, man. So shout out to Cat. I just have to give them a shout out. This thing is, everybody Telegram going crazy over this thing, bro. I mean, what you want me to do? You want me to get some? Nah, I ain't gonna even say. What's at the bottom of a tree? Yeah, okay. Bam, now on to the king. Right now we sitting at Curtis Jackson. If you don't know who that is, then hey man, go find out. Find out or die trying. Some of y'all get that. Anyway, I'm gonna be here all week. Man, I was looking at the stocks, some of the stock things today, right? And they always shitting on crypto, so I just be looking at them, just laughing. Like if I was thinking, if I were listening to them, bro, I'd still be working. You know what I'm saying? Not making no money, hoping that my Coca-Cola stock don't go up. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying stocks are bad, but it's not built to make you rich, bro. It's just not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that get rich in stocks, they either selling some kind of course, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get you to leverage trade, some Forex or something. It's something to it. You know what I'm saying? Join the Discord, join the members there. It's always something. They don't never get rich just off stock. Like, it's just unless you Warren Buffett or them old dude. These folk now, it ain't never just the stocks. And they be trying to pump up it went up 2%, bro. 2%? We don't even talk about a crypto if it go up 2%. What are you talking about? It ain't nothing for a crypto to shoot up 20, 30%, bro. Like, for real. Getting them 100x, 200x, 1000x. People literally have gotten rich in crypto in this short of amount of time. You get what I'm saying? Crypto ain't been out, really. Crypto came out around the same time President Obama, who created crypto, Obama created crypto, because it came out around the same time, right? 08, 09, when he got elected. I'm serious. Look it up. So, yeah, man, in just this short amount of time, millionaires, multimillionaires, thousandaires, feeding people family. Stocks, you just gotta let it sit there. You gotta try to get a Robinhood account or a Moo account or, you know what I'm saying? Because you definitely, you go up in TD or member trade or, I think the first account I had was E-Trade. I had an E-Trade account a long time ago. And I was in the stock, the QQQ and all that. And it's okay. But you talking about long term. Bro, it gonna take you, woo, boy. You gonna start off a young man and end up an old man. And you might have a couple $1,000 to do something. But hey, man, crypto, boy, I think it changed your life in no time flat. I'm a prime example. Don't matter whether it drip, hex, what, it doesn't matter the name of the coin. The coin gonna have 3 letters in it. Sometimes 4, 5, they getting a little fancy with it, you know what I'm saying? But you get my drift, you understand what I'm saying? But anyway, I just thought that was funny, man. But shout out to Drip. Drip still paying 130,000 wallets a day. You understand what I'm saying? Like clockwork, 1% every day, 130,000 wallets. I saw BT, I saw old bank teller put out something today, crying and hooting and hollering about ain't nobody participating in his new thing and all that. Man, I told that man what to do, man. Start over, bro. Elephant is, I don't like to say nothing is dead because you can just keep it on the blockchain forever. Unless the blockchain go down, it's going to be there. It's there, but people are losing faith, bro. They're losing faith. So you have to, you could have, the same thing you launched today or yesterday, whenever you launched it, you could have launched next week. You could just say, retire, like you retired all the other stuff that nobody make no money on. Hey, guys, I'm sorry, we got exploited. Consumer confidence is down. We got to, do something else. But you're going to keep on. Everything you starting at is the holy grail, is this is the best thing ever. The depot, the this, and that. Don't none of it working. You understand what I'm saying? But enough of that. Let's get to what we really making money, right? Let's see what we got going on. Bam! You see this old boy, BNB miner, what? That BNB miner. See that contract over 1,500? What I got? I got 7 BNB in my TVL. I got 0.36 to get out. But you know what I'm going to do? Compeasy. I'm a compound, baby. That's what I'm finna do. There we go. Let's get it. There with a finger, baby. 3% over here. 3% with Cat. People talking about, hey, man, how long Cat gonna pay? I got to hit him with the ice cube. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's me for. The Lord developer said, go, I don't know, man. But anyway, so we compounded that. Now we are 7.7. Hey, man, still paying, baby. If contract going up, let's get it. Whatever we got going on. Bam. Whoa, hold on. Let me go. Let me show it to you right here. Let me go over here to the old drip file out. You know what I mean? We came over here in a minute. Why? I stay on this thing, though. You know what I'm saying? Why they instead of telling you, oh, no impermanent loss, no, but whatever. Why you instead of losing? This is the real no impermanent loss. You see that? You see that? Huh? All while making money. You see that? Huh? I ain't even talking about, look at the pools down here. Look at my little scrap, my little scrizzy scrap. Look at that. Huh? These scrap. Just making money on the scrap. Look at that. Look at it. Just making money on scraps, bro. Where else you gonna do that? Huh? Where else you gonna do that? Look at that. Huh? Look at that. Easy money. Matter of fact, let me go around and collect. Do they have one collect all button on this thing here? Oh no, they don't have no. I gotta go over here to the real arrow farm. Let me go around and collect my dog. Man, I mean my dog and put them on over here. Y'all know what we finna do. Finna go in there. Stairway to heaven. You know where it's at? Right on over here, baby. Yeah, let me go collect my dogs. Put them right. What my last state was 5.3. Let's see what I got. All right, let's refresh the page. See what we got. Got 0. Let's refresh the page. Bam, we got 12 of them puppies, baby. You know where they going. Into the pound. Hey, man, this is the good pound right here. This ain't like the humane societies where you live at. Overcrowded, dogs slobbering out at the mouth at the fence. Hey, man, y'all go adopt a dog or something. Good Lord. Got them dogs out there looking like Cujo. Some of y'all don't know about Cujo. Y'all don't remember Cujo. Boy, that was a scary move back in the day. It wouldn't be scary now, but back when Cujo came out, woo! Look it up. But anyway, we're making this money right now. You get what I'm saying? You did what I'm saying. Look how quick that thing is. Bam! That 12 already in now, baby. You see it? Hey, man. Best thing ever. You know what I'm saying? Some people like the animal farm better than drip. Some people like drip better than the animal farm. Either way, wealth creation is being made, bro. Like, this is all wealth right here. Like, if I really need money, I can just come in here and get it. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, I just saw one at 69%. I know I just seen it. Didn't I just seen one at 6? That, 19 of them things. Boy, already almost at 70%. Off of 90%. But anyway, man, like, hey, even in the pools, think about this. You can, let's say you got $100,000 in USD. Where else you gonna go and make that kind of money, bro? Well, you can stake it in the animal farm, staking pool, stable coin in the staking pool, earn free dogs just for staking it, and you'll earn way more than what I'm making. You get what I'm saying? And then you can take your money out when you get ready. Where else can you do that, bro? What is where? It's not possible. Forex just came up with it. Man, this is, and look at this. While you staking, you earning more money down here. You get what I'm saying? And if you want to go to the linear pool, you earning BNB. Bro, there's nothing better than the animal farm or drip. Take your pick. And Forex, let me go to the pig pen. Because I could have swore we was at like 1490 or something like that. We got another injection. I don't know how much he put in there, but he did, and he had to. Because I looked yesterday, he was like 1489 or something like that. What other developer you know is putting money into the system for you to take out? Who? You ain't gonna see Forex around here making posts and stuff and sending out YouTubers begging you to get in his platform. Don't get in. Get in or don't get in. The money will still be made. The injections will still be done. The money will still be made. There is no other platform where the developer is putting the money into the reward vault for you to get out just for participating. That's crazy, bro. Like he does it so effortlessly. I'm making myself choke. But you know what I'm saying? He does it so effortlessly. You get what I'm saying? That you take it for granted. You take it for granted because the man is so smooth with it. You know what I'm saying? And it's been here and it ain't going nowhere. But I'm like, it's just old having fun, old dripping ain't going nowhere. That's a good thing. You understand what I'm saying? You only hear people, well, you know, I ain't talking about the fools, the outliers, but you don't hear people saying drip going to zero, this and that. They already know. It ain't. It can't, technically. Now put another little nugget in your pipe to smoke. Drip has millions in liquidity with an S. Not 1 million, more than 1 million. It has millions, right? All while paying out 1% to 130,000 wallets. You think liquidity grow on trees? Where you think that liquidity coming from? Like, where it coming from? Either drip is growing or it's good. I ain't gonna even say it. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Shout out to the notification gang. Shout out to Forex y'all. Oh, get your golden Forex. Get your golden Forex. Hey, the auction is live. Holla at your boy.